Have you ever wished you could use multiple smartphones without actually owning multiple smartphones? For many marketer, businesses, and app testers, managing several mobile accounts can become expensive and difficult. That's where GeeLark phones come in. Today, we are checking out GeeLark, a GeeLark phone that lets you to run and manage actual Android phones directly from your computer. I will explore the feature and test how it works and find out rather practical solution for everyday use. So let's jump right in and explore. So first of all, guys, you can check it out. We are in the GeeLark app basically, and let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to click on the proxy section. After coming into the proxy section, after that you need to click on the add proxy. When you click on the add proxy, you need to fill your proxy information here, just like that. I'm going to give my proxy, and after that you need to click on the chat proxy. When you click on the chat proxy, it will take a few seconds to check our proxy, and after that you need to click on the OK option. When you click on the OK option, our proxy will be added in front of you, and you can check, guys, you can check it. Our proxy has been added, which is in front of you. After that, you need to click on the profile option, and let me show you how you can add your own new profile. You need to click on the new profile option. When you click on the new profile option, guys, you need to fill out this thing here, and here's a new profile. Guys, after that you need to set up your names, and after that you need to click on the saved option. If you have saved your proxy, if you don't have, you need to custom your own proxy, and in the saved proxy, and everything's here in front of it. You can also select which one you want to be selected, and after that you can check out the abnormal variants, and after that you need to click on the create option. And guys, you can check it out. Our profile has been generated. What you need to do, you need to click on this start option to start up your cloud phone. And now you can check it out. It's connecting to our cloud phone, and you can check it's fetching data started connecting. And bonus winners will first detected, and how you can do that. So let me show you the whole procedure. Look at that, guys. So guys, basically it's like a normal mobile phone. It's also in front of you, and you can check it out. You can play it out, and you can use this as your own normal phone, and here is in front of you everything. So let me show you, there's still more things about this platform to be explored, and in the more section you could also check out the restored volume, acceleration detect, clear replace the volume, everything's available there. And after that you can click on the apps option. In the apps option you could find every type of the apps are also available there, like app store, books, business, communication apps, entertaining, entertainment, finance, food, games, health, house, lifestyle. Every type of apps are also available there, and the teamed application upgrade option are also available there, and you could find every type of the apps is in front of you, and your timer, rotator, screen recording, upload, export option is also available there. And in the more section you could find a lot of things too. After there, guys, here is the more option, guys, synchronize. So guys, if you found and guys, if you have more than one task, you can select your everything and run it out. And guys, after the automation part is also available there, so you can select the you can do the automation on the spectrum of the TikTok automation, YouTube automation, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit automation. All of the things are also here, and you can control and literally everything through the GeeLark. So guys, GeeLark is doing so much crazy job over there. If you want to visit, the links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out, and we will meet in our next video. Thanks.